Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordanbikes, and today we have for sale this lovely BMW F800 GT. So really lovely bike is this one, really well spec'd. So at the time when you ordered these, you could pick various packs, and this one's had them both picked. So comfort pack and the dynamic pack. So this one's got stuff like electric suspension, it's got tyre pressure sensors, it's got heated grips. This one's also got a lower seat on as well, so you know, if you're not quite 6 foot, you can still get a touring bike, which is great. It's also got the BMW alarm fitted to it as well, LED indicators, and of course a 3-box luggage. The 2 side boxes are the BMW ones, and they extend in size, so they can be a little bit bigger. It's a 2014 bike on a 14 plate, done just over 5,000 miles at 5697. Really low centre of gravity. You put your fuel in here, which keeps your tank really low down, so centre of gravity is nice and low. But they're just a really good bike. I'll give it a start up so you can have a listen. And there we go. So if you do fancy this one, all you need to do is give us a call. I'll pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.